Alright, now in this example we're going to be taking the following decimal number, 0.0000359, and converting it into scientific notation. Now recall that scientific notation looks like this. You've got a number, it could be anything, let's say 1, point, and then some more digits, whatever they may be, times 10 to some power. Now the power is how many times you need to move this decimal once you're in scientific notation to get back to decimal notation. So first things first, I'm going to look at how many times do I need to move this decimal point to get just a digit dot some other numbers. Well, I need to move once, twice, thrice, no words like that for 4, 5 times. And I'm stopping at the 5th time because I've gone past the first non-zero digit. And then I don't go further because it needs to just be a single digit dot some more stuff. So I would write this down as 3.59 times 10 to the, and now this confuses people because they learn if you're going from one form, say scientific to decimal, they learn the rule that way, and they forget that if you're going backwards, that rule is also flipped. So looking at scientific notation, if I want to move the decimal to the right, then the exponent needs to be positive. If I need to move the decimal to the left to get back to what I had, the exponent needs to be negative. So let's look at this. To go back from 3.59 to 0.0000359, which way do I need to move the decimal? Well, I need to move it to the left. So since I need to move this decimal to the left to get back what I started with, that's going to be a negative. And how many times do I move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A negative 5. Now you could also memorize that if you're going from decimal to scientific, when you move to the right, it's negative, and when you move to the left, it's positive. But the problem with that is that when you're going from scientific to decimal, it's backwards. If I move to the right, it's positive, and if I move to the left, it's negative. So that's just some advice about how to think of this. Just to recap, the way I did it was first I just write it down like this, and then I think to get back to what I had, which way do I go? I go to the left, negative. How many times? 5 times. So this number in scientific notation is 3.59 by 10 to the negative 5, and that is this example.